Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a TikTok account using your mobile device. So if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Obi the Ugochi. Now before we get into the teachings of today, I want to apologize because I want to take few seconds of your time. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on all my videos. That is to tell the algorithm that you appreciate this content, and also it is going to push this video to more people so that they can actually benefit from this. So now let's get into the video. First of all, open your TikTok app. Once it loads up, you are going to see a profile. Tap on this profile down below. You are going to see sign up. Click on the sign up. You can choose how you want to make your account. You can take a shortcut by signing in with your Facebook or Google if you like, or you can sign up with your phone number or Gmail address. Now click on phone number or email address option. When it loads up, you are going to type in your phone number if you are using a phone number. So after inputting your phone number, click on send code. They are going to send you a code to your mobile phone. But note, if the number you are using is inside your phone you are using to register, it will automatically load up. Okay, but if the number is not inside this phone, you have to type it in. Alright, but for this tutorial I'm going to use my Gmail address. The difference between Gmail address and phone number is just that they are going to send you a code if you are using a phone number, but if you are using a Gmail address, they are not going to send you a code. That's just the difference between phone number and Gmail. Okay, right now I'm going to click on my Gmail and type my Gmail address in. Once you are done with that, what you do next is to click on continue. After this, the next thing for you to do now is to create a password. And if you are also using a phone number, they are going to show you this place as well. In creating a password for your account, it must be at least 8 characters or letters long and must contain at least 1 letter, 1 number and 1 special character. Your password strength will be indicated below, so try to make a strong password as you can. Then click on next. When it loads up, select or enter your birth date, then tap next. Wait for it to load up. Now you can enter a nickname or username for your profile. It will be displaying at the top of your profile and the name that appears on your video. After that, click on confirm, and if you don't want a nickname, you can click on skip at the top left corner. Right here you can click OK, or you can click don't allow. Depends on you. Once you are done with that, click on profile again. This is it. Right now you have created a TikTok account. Okay, if you like to customize your username, tap edit profile. At this place now you can change your photo and you can also change your username. Now tap on username. You can delete the auto-generated username you are given and type in what you want your username to be. If the username you type in is available, you will see a green check mark below. If it's taken, you will see a message saying the username is not available. Try to add a number or underscore to change it up to see if another variation of the name you like is available. TikTok will also give you suggestions. You can as well choose one of those instead. After editing your username, tap on save. Also on this place you can copy your account by clicking on these 2 dots here, and also you can add a bio to your profile or to your account. And also you can equally link your Instagram account, YouTube account to this. That is all for creating a TikTok. You can go back later to your Gmail to verify your TikTok account.